Before we begin, think about your daily life. What do you do every day? Do you wake up early? Do you go to work or school? Do you watch TV at night? Talking about your daily routine is one of the most important skills in English because we use it every day in conversations, at work, at school, and when meeting new people.
Today, you will learn how to talk about your daily routine in English with simple sentences, real conversations, and easy practice you can repeat. So listen carefully and try to speak with us.
Welcome back to the podcast. I'm Anna.
And I'm David.
Today, we are talking about a very common topic.
Your daily routine.
Yes, what do you do every day?
This is one of the first things people ask in English conversations.
And it's very useful for beginners.
So let's start with a simple question.
What do you do every day?
Let's hear a simple answer.
I wake up at 7 a.m.
I brush my teeth and get ready.
I go to work.
That's a basic daily routine.
Now let's break it down step by step.
First, morning activities.
You can say,
I wake up at 6 a.m.
I get out of bed.
I brush my teeth.
I take a shower.
I get dressed.
I have breakfast.
Let's practice a short conversation.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
What do you do after that?
I brush my teeth and take a shower.
Do you have breakfast?
Yes, I have breakfast at home.
Simple and natural.
Now, let's move to daytime activities.
Work or school?
You can say,
I go to work at 9 a.m.
I work in an office.
I study at school.
I have classes.
I take a lunch break.
Let's hear a conversation.
What do you do during the day?
I work in a company.
What time do you start work?
I start work at 9 a.m.
Do you take a break?
Yes, I take a lunch break at 1 p.m.
That sounds good.
Now, let's talk about evening activities.
After work or school?
You can say,
I come home.
I relax.
I watch TV.
I cook dinner.
I spend time with my family.
I study English.
Let's practice a conversation.
What do you do in the evening?
I usually watch TV and relax.
Do you cook dinner?
Yes, sometimes I cook dinner.
That sounds nice. Now, let's talk about night routines.
Before going to bed,
You can say,
I brush my teeth.
I check my phone.
I read a book.
I go to bed at 11 p.m.
Let's hear a short conversation.
What do you do before bed?
I usually read a book.
What time do you sleep?
I sleep at 11 p.m.
Great. Now, let's put everything together.
A full daily routine.
Listen carefully.
I wake up at 7 a.m.
I brush my teeth and take a shower.
I have breakfast.
I go to work at 9 a.m.
I work until 5 p.m.
I come home and relax.
I watch TV and have dinner.
I go to bed at 11 p.m.
That's a complete daily routine.
Now, let's make it more natural with a conversation.
Hi, what do you do every day?
I usually wake up at 6:30 a.m.
What do you do after that?
I take a shower and have breakfast.
Do you work or study?
I work in an office.
What do you do in the evening?
I watch TV or go for a walk.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10:30 p.m.
That sounds like a healthy routine.
Thanks.
Now let's learn some useful frequency words.
These words help you talk about how often you do something.
Always,
Usually,
often,
sometimes,
rarely.
never.
Example sentences.
I always wake up early.
I usually drink coffee in the morning.
I sometimes watch TV at night.
I never skip breakfast.
Let's practice a conversation using these words.
Do you exercise every day?
I usually exercise in the morning.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, I sometimes watch TV at night.
Do you eat fast food?
No, I rarely eat fast food.
Very good.
Now let's talk about common mistakes.
Many learners forget to use S with he, she, and it.
For example,
Wrong. He wake up at 7.
correct, he wakes up at 7.
Another mistake is using the wrong tense.
Remember, daily routines use the present simple,
For example, I go to work every day.
not I am going to work every day. Now let's practice together.
Repeat after us.
I wake up at 7 a.m.
I go to work.
I have lunch at 1 p.m.
I come home in the evening.
I watch TV.
I go to bed at 11 p.m.
Great job.
Now try to make your own routine.
Use these sentences.
Add your real life,
Speak out loud.
even if it's simple.
That's how you improve.
Now let's hear one final conversation.
Hey, what do you do every day?
I wake up early and go for a walk.
That's great. What do you do after that?
I have breakfast and go to work.
What do you do in the evening?
I spend time with my family and watch TV.
What time do you sleep?
I usually sleep at 10:30 p.m.
That's a very good routine.
Thanks.
See how easy that is?
Simple sentences.
Real communication.
Remember, you don't need difficult words.
Just clear and simple English.
Practice every day,
Talk about your real life.
and your English will improve faster.
That's all for today's episode.
If this lesson helped you, listen again and repeat.
Practice makes progress.
And progress builds confidence.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Keep practicing.
Keep speaking.
Bye.
Bye.